HP G5 docking stations sometimes fail to charge laptops via USB-C power delivery. This common issue occurs due to miscommunication between the dock's PD controller and the laptop's power management system. The problem stems from protocol incompatibilities, especially with newer laptop BIOS versions. Fortunately, HP has released firmware updates in late 2025 to address these PD protocol issues. USB-C power delivery, or PD, is the technology that allows high-power charging through USB-C cables. The dock and laptop communicate to agree on the right voltage and current for charging. During negotiation, the dock and laptop exchange information about supported voltages up to 20 volts and currents up to 5 amps. For HP G5 docks, this supports power delivery up to 100 watts. PD uses different profiles combining voltage and current to deliver various power levels. For example, 20 volts at 5 amps provides 100 watts, while lower combinations offer less power. Failures happen when the dock doesn't detect the laptop's power request or there's a profile mismatch. Always use certified USB-C PD cables to ensure reliable charging. Begin troubleshooting by checking the integrity of your USB-C cable. Ensure you are using a certified USB-C power delivery cable to avoid compatibility issues. Next, update the firmware of your HP G5 docking station. This can be done through HP Support Assistant or by downloading updates directly from HP's website. Verify your laptop settings to ensure proper USB-C configuration. On Windows, check Device Manager. On macOS, use System Report to inspect USB connections. Finally, inspect the USB-C ports on your HP G5 dock. Look for bent pins, corrosion, or other physical damage that could prevent proper charging. Overheating is a common cause of charging issues with HP G5 docks. When the dock overheats, it can interrupt power delivery. Ensure proper ventilation by placing the dock in a well-ventilated area and avoiding blocking air vents. Software conflicts often occur when using HP G5 docks with Lenovo or Dell laptops due to incompatible drivers. Update all device drivers through the manufacturer's utility, and ensure cross-brand compatibility by using HP's recommended software updates. BIOS settings on the laptop can disable USB-C power delivery, causing charging failures. Enter BIOS setup during boot, navigate to power or USB settings, and ensure USB-C PD is enabled. Save changes and exit. For reliable charging, use HP recommended chargers that provide more than 100 watt output. These ensure sufficient power delivery and compatibility with G5 docks. Avoid generic or low-power chargers that may not negotiate properly. Real-world case studies show how HP G5 docking station charging issues manifest in different scenarios and how they're resolved. A common issue occurs when HP G5 docks fail to charge Lenovo laptops due to PD profile mismatches. The dock and laptop can't agree on power delivery settings. The solution involves updating the dock's firmware and switching to a certified 100-watt USB-C cable to ensure proper PD negotiation. In enterprise environments, outdated laptop BIOS versions can prevent HP G5 docks from charging multiple devices simultaneously. The solution is deploying remote firmware updates to all affected laptops, ensuring compatibility with the dock's power delivery systems. For hardware failures, a DIY approach involves disassembling the dock and replacing the faulty power delivery controller chip. This requires soldering skills and compatible replacement parts, restoring charging functionality to damaged units. Experts state that 60% of USB-C PD issues stem from cable quality. Avoid cheap, uncertified cables. HP's engineers emphasize that rapid BIOS updates can exacerbate PD negotiation failures, but the latest firmware mitigates this. Proper USB-IF certification is crucial for reliable charging. The future of USB-C charging shows promising trends toward universal adoption. USB-C power delivery is becoming the universal standard for charging devices, with widespread adoption across laptops and accessories. The upcoming PD 4.0 standard will enable up to 240 watts of charging power and include enhanced error recovery mechanisms to prevent charging failures. Sustainability is driving the development of modular docking stations with replaceable power delivery modules, helping to reduce electronic waste. By 2030, most laptops will use PD-only charging, with firmware patches becoming the standard solution for issues. However, older G5 docking stations may require hardware upgrades to remain compatible.